everybody, it's Kelly. So today we had to go to the wet market to pick up a few things. We got a typhoon headed here to Cebu, the island of Cebu. It's called Typhoon Odette. It's the wind speeds right now it's going about 45 miles an hour across the sea. It's going to hit landfall here in Cebu on the 17th, which is day after tomorrow. It's already made landfall in some places in the Philippines, but as far as Cebu, we won't get the brunt of it until the 17th, which they say expect torrential rains, winds up to 85 miles per hour. So it's going to be pretty windy and it's going to be pretty rainy here. So today we decided to go to the wet market and pick up a few things. We needed bread, milk, things like that. So we just went ahead and I took the camera with me because I knew it was going to be really hectic there, because anytime a storm's coming up, you always have people go and panic buying, and they were panic buying like crazy. So let's go check out some of this video I got. But when we got here at the wet market, we realized that everybody is panic buying.
Panic buying because of the typhoon.
Do you know the name of the typhoon?
Odette.
Claudette?
Odette.
Odette?
Yeah. Odette.
So let's get a view of some of the stuff's going around here. Of course, they have to wear your ID now.
Look at the line.
Oi, see the line behind us? Pretty hot in here. You gotta get some other stuff here, some butane, and check everything out. So there are some ones up here for hanging your pots. Watch out for the motor.
Stop running.
Here, hon, they have these. Do you think they might sell it here?
No, we need to.
In the store?
We need that one kerosene.
Okay. How about there, hon?
Liam.
Come here, Liam. Liam, come here.
Pagpila. 18 lang. 1.8. This is. Mo bala na siya bisa sa ikuan. Pwede na. Kanipalit ko ano. Usa lang ang unsa ba di ka nang wala di kay basiyo? Wala basiyo. 65. Or if no, I forgot to bring this one.
Oh.
Later na lang refill 18 ra. Okay.
Thank you. Oh, you have to drop empty for full?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep up with Mama, hon.
Thank you. Big. Guys, ako bakul ha.
Apples. sky is already getting dark. He said it's gonna get darker as we went along the day. Yeah. No thank you. No thank you. Nothing down here? Woo, dried fish. Why don't you dry? You haven't bought dried fish, have you?
20.
This is a lot of dried fish.
Smells.
Smells like fish.
Sila.
Ang brand new, dili mataw ang brand new.
Hi, Liam.
Come on.
Go, Mom.
Pagbite oh. Hindi siya po.
He said, I'm a big boy, Mom. Don't hold my hand. Hello. Oh. Okay. Time for some rice. Huh?
You wanna go in City Mall? We don't have bread.
Yeah, I could. Unbelievable how busy it got.
Honey, look at the light.
Woo! People want to get money out of the bank, the ATM. You got a long wait. Long wait. Wow, crazy drivers. Some motorcycle, a lot of mopeds. Oh, oh. It is out here trying to get out of here. This is going to take forever to get home. Yeah, it's getting dark. I think we're ready to get home. I don't like getting out after dark. The vampires are out. Okay, so as you can see, we made it home okay, no problems. It was a little busy there. It was a lot busy, and it took us about 45 minutes to get home. Usually it takes us about 20 minutes. So as you can tell, it was a little busy. And we got Liam, my little wingman here. He's on the phone playing a game. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. Okay, so everything was fine. We got home fine. It did get a little bit darker, a little cloudier here, but it's not raining yet. It's a little breezy outside. I really can't show you anything because the skies are black right now. It's kind of dark here on my balcony outside. If we do have any storms that actually kick up, or you see that whether it's rain, wind, weather, I'll definitely be recording that and posting it on my channel to show you guys our little typhoon we're going to be going through. Hopefully it'll blow over and we won't have anything at all. So just wanted to show you what it looks like over at the wet market today. I heard it was really busy over there and we wanted to share that with you. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Any ideas or anything you'd like to see, leave them in the comment section below, and we definitely read all of them. Okay, hon. So I'm Kelly, and I'll see you on our next Philippine adventure. Bye-bye.